Huh. Pictures of Mickey Rooney in ladies' underpants. Weird.
Robby! I've got the hiccups!
Oh, good. Come over here. I want to try something.
Is it gonna get rid of my hiccups?
Sure, why not?
Alright. I'll try anything to get rid of these hiccups.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure everything's right. Pens are all laid out. Okay, here we go.
Whoa. Whoa.
It's okay, trust me. Okay, you ready?
I guess.
Okay, now you have to say flim flam flo flam 3 times fast before you hiccup the next time.
Flim flam, flo flam, flim flam, flo flam, flim flam.
My theory worked!
What theory?
That people with hiccups are more gullible than those without it.
You jerk!